Hi again, Year 6. Welcome to Thursday. So today we are converting between miles and kilometres. So if you can write the Walt in your book, that'd be fab. Right, okay, so a bit of a recap then. So let's convert 5,000 metres into kilometres. Who can remember what we need to do? That's right, we need to divide it by 1,000. So off you go then in your book. So you're right, the answer is, let me see if I can write this in, 5 kilometres. And now we are going to convert 3.5 kilometres into metres. So what do we need to do? Write it in your book, then come back to me for check-in. That's right, we need to multiply it by 1,000, so 3,500 metres. So now we've got a greater or less than. 10 centimetres, is it greater or less than 0.09? Can we do that straight away, or do we need to do something? We need to convert it, don't we, both into the same unit of measurement. So I would convert this one into centimetres, which would be 90 centimetres, wouldn't it? So that equals 90 centimetres, which is greater. So 10 centimetres is less than 90 centimetres. And here, 50 grams. How do we convert grams into kilograms? That's right, we divide it by 1,000 because there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So divide it, and we will find out if we divide 50 by 1,000, we get 0.05. So the answer, the answer's in there already, silly me. It's equal. Next slide. So we're going to be looking at units of measurements on road signs, looking at miles and kilometres. So if you go to America, you might see, or even Europe, sorry, not America, because they're in miles in America, but in Europe you'll see them in kilometres. So it does help us to be able to distinguish between the two to work out how far things are away. As a rule of thumb, this is the important bit here. 5 kilometres, it's a funny little sign, isn't it, is approximately equal to 8 kilometres. So it would be worth writing that in your book. 5 miles, this little funny sign means approximately equal to, so it's not exactly equal to. But for schoolwork and for general life when you're out and about in the car, it's a good way of quickly calculating a pretty fair estimate of how far something is. So if we look here, so hopefully you've written that in your book by now. Use this fact to complete. 15 miles is approximately equal to. So we can see, let's have a blue pen here, that here, I'm doing my arrows, that's been multiplied by, how many? 3, that's right. So if we're multiplying that side by 3, what are we going to multiply the 8 by? That's right, we're going to multiply it by the same, aren't we? We're going to multiply it by 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. So 15 miles is approximately equal to 24 kilometres. Okay, how many times has 5 been multiplied to make 30? It's by 6, isn't it? So we need to do the same with our 8 times 6. 8 times 6, I always get stuck on this one, but I think it's 48. Please don't shout at me if I've got that wrong. Yes, it would be, wouldn't it? Because 8 times 5 is 40, add another 8 is 48. Okay. Oh, excuse that. Let's have a red pen here. So now we need to think about what 8 is to 160. Well, we know that 8 times 2 is 16. So 8 times 20 must be 160. So we're going to do the same to the other side. 5 times 20 is, what is it? You work it out, tell me. That's right, it's 100. So 100 miles is approximately equivalent to 160 kilometres. Right, I'm going to pause there, so look out for part 2 of this video.